National Institute of Technology Allahabad is offering free machine learning workshop. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge, and today I am with one more video which is based on machine learning, and this machine learning workshop is going to organized by National Institute of Technology Allahabad, and also free certificate is also there for attending this machine learning workshop. So in this video I am going to show you how to apply for this and also what are the topics which will be covered in this workshop. The registration deadline for this machine learning workshop is 15th of January. So you need to apply for this workshop that is going to organize from 22 to 27 of January before 15th of January. The contents of this workshop are computer vision applications, machine learning, deep learning, IoT, smart applications designs and many more. So here you can see the contact information for those who are organizing this, the assistant professors of NIT Allahabad. And if you have any doubt regarding this workshop, you can directly contact to the given mobile number. Here you can see the contact number of the assistant professor who is going to organize this. And the best thing of this workshop is this is a totally free workshop. You doesn't need to be pay any of the money, any of the currency for this workshop. This is totally free from MNNIT, and the NIT professor is going to deliver the lectures in this workshop. So this is a very nice chance to get to learn from the NIT's professor, and also with the trending topics just like machine learning, IoT and many more. So here is the full schedule of this. You can see there is a total 5 days program where it is divided, each day is divided into 2 parts. First is section 1 and second is section 2. There are 2 lectures in all days, in each days, and here it is starting from introduction to IoT, and after computer vision, deep learning, machine learning, and at the last there is reinforcement learning. So these are the topics which will be covered in this. And on day 5, that is 27th of January, in the lecture 2 also you can see here the certificate distribution program is also, means you can get a free certificate from this workshop also, and also some guests who are invited for this program also deliver some lectures. So you find link in the description, you go through it, and here you can see the link in the page, registration link. You just tap on that and get registered for this very nice workshop. And also subscribe our channel, like this video and share with your friends.